Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia Marie. Today we're going to be doing a little DIY action. I got this idea from Pinterest in this picture and I wanted to try it out myself. Josh and I just moved into this apartment about 8 months ago, maybe 7 months ago, and it has been so much fun moving. And you know, when you move, it's like you get to decorate the place, you get to kind of have like a new theme going on. So the colors for my apartment are kind of like neutrals, but they have little pops of pink. The only thing that kind of stinks about moving into a new place is you want it to look so great, but that involves needing to furnish the place, which can get very expensive. If you know how much like a pot or like what else? Lamps are like $30 nowadays. $30 doesn't seem bad until you realize you need two for each side of whatever you're putting it on. And so things can get a little expensive, and I try to budget because, you know, I always am trying to budget wherever I can. And I found these really cute, simple pot ideas on Pinterest, so I wanted to give it a try and I wanted to videotape so you guys can see my results, and maybe it's something you can do for your apartment or your place too. So wherever I decide to put these pots, I will most likely have the big one in the middle and then the two little ones beside it. So I'm going to start with the big one just so I can kind of see what I'm working with. For this project, I got 2 things of paint. These came in a set from Ross. So I think it was only like $12, I don't even know, but not very expensive. It's all acrylic paint. And then I just got some different size paintbrushes. I got this like thicker paintbrush thing, and then I just got a bigger one just in case for larger surfaces. And then I have a couple of these, I don't know why I can't think of what these are called right now. They're the things that hold paint. And then along with that, I also got some painter's tape. This is gonna help me section off some of the clay that I don't want painted, so you'll see what I mean with that. Okay, so for the first one, I'm just gonna put this tape right in the middle. Okay, so I did it like that. The only thing is, I don't know if you can tell from there, but there is like a little bit of, since this does curve down and the tape is straight, there's like a little bit at the bottom that's staying out. So I'm gonna put another layer of tape just to like tape that down. Okay guys, I finally got it, so I'm just gonna choose my colors now. So I'm gonna do some pink on top. Okay, just so you guys see what I'm doing the pink on the top layer, and I'm gonna do this really quick, and then I will come back and we'll do the white on the bottom layer. Okay guys, so I did the first layer of the pink. I think it's super cute, and now I'm just gonna do the white on the bottom layer, and then the tape, I wanted one of these to have a little color of the clay, just because I think it's really pretty, and I just wanted one of these to have like that element in it. So I'm gonna put white on the bottom side, and then I will meet you guys when I'm done. I'm gonna let this dry for a little bit, and then I'm gonna start on the next pot. Okay, so this is what it looks like right now. I can't really like hold it like this because I decided to put white on the bottom, because I usually like to name my plants. So I'm gonna put a name here, and I want white to be the background. Okay, so I'm gonna let it dry so I can put a second coat, but I was kind of running out of the white paint and I didn't realize that earlier, so I'm gonna run to Micheals, go get some white paint, and I will be right back so we can start the next pot. Okay guys, I got some stuff from the store. I went to Micheals and I actually got white, and I just bought this pink, and I got it in chalk because these, while they're really like nice and everything, they have kind of like a shiny finish to them, which was fine because that's just what I had. But since I was going to the store anyway, I figured I should get chalky because that's what I like. And then I also got some metallic colors. I got gold metallic and pink, like pink metallic. It kind of looks like pearly. So I don't know if I'm gonna put those in yet, but we will see. So first I'm gonna go over this because I think it's pretty much dry by now. So I'm gonna go over a layer of the pink and then a layer of the white with both of these, and then we will get started with this finally. Okay, you guys, for this next one, I'm gonna do something similar to this, but I'm not gonna have a different color on top. I'm just gonna have half of it, the top half of it be white and the bottom half of it be pink. So it's kind of like an opposition to this one. So I'm going to tape it first again. So again, I'm gonna do the top part white and the bottom part pink. Since I have it taped off, I'm just gonna do the pink part first and then I'm gonna let it dry. Okay, and then for the last one, well, first I have to take the sticker off. By the way, I got these pots from Home Depot, and I also got the plants from Home Depot. Plants at Home Depot are pretty inexpensive. These ones were maybe, one of them was $4, this one was only $1.70, and I think it's really pretty and simple. And then I think that this other one was, yeah, that one was $5. And then these pots, I believe, depending on the size, I think this one was like $2, and then this one, I wanna say, actually no, I think this was $2 something, and then this was $1 something. So these are really inexpensive. The most expensive part about all this, honestly, is the paint. And the paint really isn't that bad. But for this last one, I'm gonna have a slant, so instead of having to go, you know, like horizontally, it's gonna be diagonally. So yeah, so that was really easy. All I did was I did a slant, did it the opposite way, went around the bottom, and then there. And so from the front, you'll just see one slant. So I think I'm gonna start off with, I'm gonna put white, I think, on the more wide part because I do have a lot of like pink going on and I want it to be balanced. So I'm gonna put white. Okay, so for this first side, I'm gonna let this dry. And then, so for these two, I'm gonna have to do a second coat before I move on to taking off the tape, because I'm gonna have to take off the tape and then put them over the pink so that I can cover up the pink. And so I'm gonna let all this dry for a little bit and then I will come back and do some second coats. Okay guys, the first coat for everything is pretty much dry, so I'm just gonna start working on the second coat and then I'll be right back once it's all dried and we can get started on doing the other part of these two. Hey guys, so it is now nighttime. Sorry, I took a little nap. Ever since the time change, I have been so tired, like all the time. So yeah, so I'm wearing sweatpants now just because I didn't want to sleep in my jeans. But now we're gonna start doing the other coat. So I'm gonna take off the first thing of tape. I'm gonna just look at them and like think about what I want to adjust, if I want to adjust anything. Okay, so for this one, I definitely want to put white on the top layer. So now I'm gonna put painter's tape over the pink, which is why I made a painter's tape, because I knew I was gonna want to do this. Okay, so I'm gonna do that, and then I also think that I want to do pink here. Okay. I'm trying to think what I want to do for this one. I don't know yet for that one. Okay, so I think I decided that for this big one, I want like a thin strip of pink. So, but I don't want it to be as thick as it is. Like I literally want the strip to be like this big. So I'm gonna add some more white. Okay, and then I'm gonna let that dry. And then again, I'm just gonna put like a light strip of either gold or pink. I feel like I'm kind of thinking pink, but I don't know yet, so we will see. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I am so tired, so I'm so ready to be done with this project. So let's see where we can get. The next one. So I could either leave this how it is, or I could add some kind of metallic, and I feel like I want one of these to have a little metallic element to it. Do I do gold or do I do pink? Maybe I'll do gold on one side and pink on the other. Okay, I think I'm gonna do the pink. You guys know this. I love pink. It's like just pretty. Okay guys, so I'm gonna finish painting this strip and then I'm gonna plant these and I will show you the final product. I think you're gonna be really pleased with it and I think I am. So far I already think that it's really coming together well and such a great like easy DIY for anyone that's interested in sprucing up their apartment for not that expensive at all. Like all this stuff minus the paint. Paint's not that bad either. Like one of these was like $3, so that's not that bad either. I'm just saying like the pots and the flowers all together really aren't that bad. And you can get bigger pots too. Like I just got smaller ones, but eventually I'd like to get some bigger ones for outside. And it's just a really great way, like to get your creativity out and to also not have to spend a ton of money while being able to make your apartment look nice. And if you look online, like pots like this, if you were to get something like this from like Urban Outfitters, I swear it would be like $40, you know, like that's ridiculous. Look how pretty that is. Okay, so I'm gonna finish coloring this strip and then I'm going to plant these and I'll show you the final product. Okay guys, I am finally done with my beautiful pots. Look how pretty this one. So this is like the main big one. This is Mama Bear. And then this is the little son. How cute, he likes pink. And then this is the little daughter. And how pretty is she? I just think that they're all so pretty. They turned out so well. And I'm really excited about this. This was not expensive, you guys. This was a DIY that I saw on Pinterest. I didn't even look up directions. I just figured, hey, I'll get some paint. Or no, I already figured, hey, I already have some paint. And then I figured I'd go get some pots and some cheap plants, and I think it's just gonna be a great little addition to our apartment. So yeah, I'm excited about it. If this is something that you guys enjoyed and you like this type of video, let me know. I love doing DIYs with stuff from thrift stores, just like inexpensive options. I'm all about budgeting, and I think that if you can find a really cool, fun, creative DIY to do, I would be more than happy to try it out for you guys and show you so you can see how easy it is and maybe you can implement it in your own dorm, apartment, home, whatever you have. So thank you so much for watching. Again, my name is Alicia Marie, and thank you for coming back to my channel. If you are already a subscriber, I appreciate you so much, and your support is everything to me. If you're new here, again, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I love new friends, and I would love to have you a part of my family. And if you like this video, if you could please give it a big thumbs up, I always appreciate that. It really helps the YouTube algorithm and it gets this video in front of more people's eyes, which makes all this hard work that I put into this channel worth it. So thank you all for your support and your love. I will see you guys soon. It is so late right now. I need to go to bed. So thank you so much. Have a great rest of your day. Have a great rest of your week and stay thriving.